So hi, in this video we'll be discussing about how to create that domino tower kind of thing. So in massing and site, let me take that option. Massing and site, you can choose the in place mass. You can give a default name for that. Then in the plan view itself, you can choose the start and radius arc. Just click somewhere, then click somewhere else also, and you will be able to set a dimension, maybe like 85 meter or something. So I'm currently choosing maybe like 100 meter, and I'm setting a proper curve for that. Then you can use the tangent and arc, so you will get a continuation of this. Then also you can like curve it and towards the inside. Then go to the 3D view. Before that there is one more thing. You will have to spline it with points. So there is an option called spline through points. So you will have to do the tracking kind of thing. This need not be like in an equal distance. You can use according to your need. And so I'm splining and using the spline through points through this arc, through this curve that has been created. Okay, so I have completed that and I'm deleting the existing curve that has been created using the normal curve tools. Now go to the 3D view. I will have to set two work planes. So for that I'm using the set work plane option. Here I'm setting a work plane. I'm creating a rectangle, and my width of the rectangle would be like 10 meter, and the height also would be like maybe 10 or something. So let me change that. So in order to change this, you can double click on this the other side. You can enter the value like 10 meter or something, and if you want to change this also, you can enter the value 10 meter. Now I'm setting a work plane and the other side also. So I've set a work plane, I'm drawing the rectangle. Make sure that your width matches with the exact first rectangle. So here also you need the 10 meter kind of thing. Double click on this, you will be able to enter a value 10 meter. Then you have to set a height for this. So for that, double click on this, 250 meter or something. Okay, now select everything and use the create solid form option. Okay, so if you are getting an error, that means that there is no proper space and the arc is too small. The arc that we have created using the start and radius arc, as well as the continuation of the arc using the tangent and arc would be too small. So make sure that you enter at least like 100 meter or 80 meter diameter or radius, whichever is necessary for you. Then the next thing is like you have to select this face of this solid form. Then you have an option here, add profile. You can click on that. You can add profiles in between. Make sure that you follow this kind of pattern. So if I press escape, you won't be able to see that profile that has been created, right? So in order to see that profile, just place hover your mouse over that solid form. Just press on the tab button. You will be able to see it. Now click on that profile face. Use this vertical arrow control to like modify this shape according to your need. So I prefer a kind of flat kind of thing at the beginning, and then a pointed kind of thing towards the end. Okay, so I'm adding multiple profiles. Just select this mask. We can add profile. I'm adding a profile over here. Sorry, let me see again. Let me select this face. I'm adding again a profile over here. Okay, just ignore that error, that is not coming. Add profile over here also. Okay, then somewhere over here. Okay, now you will have to modify this. So for that, again use tab. You can see this profile line, you can control it according to your need. Okay, again pressing tab. Then again you will have to control this profile. Okay, I think I have not added any profile. Yes, I got one more profile over here. Make sure that you control only the vertical lines, I mean the vertical arrows. Okay, so the next thing is we will have to go to the elevation view, maybe the north. Sometimes you won't be able to see this levels. The main reason for that is you will have to extend your this north-south elevation symbols. So I'll be completing the mask right now. I mean, I will be pressing on the finish mask option right now. Then I'm setting this clip with the far clipping. I'm extending it a bit. I'm going to the north again, so I'm able to see these levels. I'm not changing it, I'm just using the maximize 3D extents option. Now going to the level option again, setting an offset value of like 4 meter or something, or else you can use the the array option. That would be also be better. Like it's 250 meters, right? So maybe I will select this level line, choose array option, then I will be using the linear, and I'm also setting maybe the number to like 20. I'm saying that I will be moving this to the second point. Okay, I'm moving this to the second point. I'm saying it's 4 meter. Done. Now it's not completely covered. I'm changing it to like 30. So 30 into 4 is like 120, right? So maybe like 40, 50, 60. Let's see. This works fine. Okay, now what you have to do is like just like in the previous masking, just select this mask, go to that mask floor option, select the first one. That means you can check the first one, go down to the level 60, hold the shift button, click on this one, and then check the box. Okay, now press OK. So it would take some time. It's done. Okay. Go to the 3D view again. See, the mask flows has been created. Now you need to convert this mask flow to the normal flow. So for that you have to use the masking insight option again. Go to the floor option, select the multiple. That means select every mask flow that has been created. Then click on that create floor option. So now what happens is that every mask flow that has been created is now converted to a normal flow. Yeah. So you can see normal flows has been created. Then like always, select the curtain system option, select everything and create the system. Okay. The main reason for like not having a smoothened surface for this is because the curtain system number, that grid number is not much refined. So we will have to select the system, curtain system. Maybe you can use the filter option. filter, then curtain system. You will only have one curtain system. I'm not saying about the curtain system beds or curtain panels. You will be having one curtain system. Just click on OK. Now change the number, maybe like 20 or 20. It would take some time, so I'm just pausing it for now. So now if you check this, you can see a smoothened surface has been created. Now if you want to hide the mask, just click on this option. You will be able to see that building with the floor as well as the curtain system. Okay, so that's it about this Domino tower kind of masking system. Thank you.